境街夜市。牛肉。
There are 3 levels of delicious food. The passion. Today we will eat the most impossible bowl of noodles and Harbin. Anjing Street Night Market. Each of noodles. I'll give you a list. I describe a noodle as delicious. What's my favorite word? It's good. It's really good. It's not good. It's strong. I'll say it again. It's strong. This noodle is really strong. This noodle is like spinach. Check it out. There are not many noodles like this in Harbin now. There are not many noodles like this in Harbin now. It's 3.3 now. The night market has just started. I came to the first pot in Hong Kong. Otherwise, I would sit in this place at night. I don't want to eat at night. It's too crowded. 13 yuans for a bowl of noodles. What's wrong with this meat? Although it is said that it is flat, but it is also a practical task. His noodle is thick everywhere. The only thing I don't like is the plastic bag. We can't help it. This kind of place in the night market.
这个面是拿菠菜汁浸过的，叫菠菜可乐面，压出来。这种面其实在哈尔滨现在已经不错了。
Soup, noodle soup. It's 3.3 now.
现在是刚3点半，夜市刚开始出摊儿。我来想赶第一波过来，要不然再晚一点儿呢，这地方又坐满了没法吃。
It's dangerous. People don't dare to go out. I've been eating for a long time. Look at the
13块钱一碗的面，这牛肉块还咋了？虽然都是说什么边角的，但它也是结结实实的肉啊。
Is it spicy? Can't you eat it?
他家面哪儿都好，唯一意见大是啥？就这塑料袋。但是没办法，夜市这种地方就是，是吧？刷不起，而且是他家是什么呢？
His family can sell a lot of ingredients every day. This noodle is delicious. But to be honest, sometimes the meat in his family has a bad taste.
面馆我排一趟，摊儿，面摊儿，3点半出摊儿，晚上干到9点，动不动就休息。我俩上次来没吃上。哈尔滨最近的天儿也知道，天天下雨，也猫一天狗一天的，人也不敢出。吃半天了，看着筋皮子，这肉还咋的？就可以呗。种葱花，种香菜，种牛油，种肉，啊。 重口味面条啊，盖哥，拿了是吗？是不是拿了？13点。他家这个面，无论你多文明的人来这儿吃啊，都得吃的呼哈哈。
我吃挺斯文的。
你可拉倒吧，你刚才吃相。他家这一大盆的料。 每天都能卖光。
2斤不。